Well, the snowfall totals keep on climbing across southwest central and south side Virginia. I want to give you a couple that we've received here over the last 2 hours or so. Piper's Gap in Carroll County, about 3 to 3.5 inches. Rural Retreat, about 2 to 2.5. Blue Ridge, right around 2 inches. Danville, 2 inches. Oak Level, Henry County, gotten reports of anywhere from about 1.5 inches to over 2 inches. Again, that would be in northern parts of Henry County. And oh, by the way, you can see 3 different sky cams right here in the corner of your screen, extending from Blacksburg through Ferrum over towards Martinsville. Now, as far as the radar, it does not look as though Rural Retreat, you folks maybe in Independence, are going to see a whole lot more snow. There's a couple little snow showers a little bit further to the west, but this, I think, could be the end of the widespread heavier snow, okay? And this is moderate snow for the most part, but this is some of the heavier snow that we've seen right here on your television screen that we've seen with this storm system. You'll notice that we are certainly getting hit with snow in Pulaski, Christiansburg, Parisburg, areas in and around Newcastle, Lexington, Buena Vista, Lynchburg, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Sidnersville, areas around Horse Pasture. Right now, not a ton falling in Danville and in South Boston, but you're not done with the snow just yet. All right, want to show you road temperatures because this is talking a little bit about what Thomas was talking about earlier. The road conditions are bad. And one of the reasons why is because the roads are so cold. The air has been so cold of late that has allowed the road temperatures to be cold. Right now, the road temperatures primarily between about 20 and 25 degrees. So anything that's falling is pretty much sticking on contact. Futurecast shows that we're going to see the end of the snow in the mountains here over roughly the next 2 to 2.5 hours. You'll notice that areas further east are going to see the end of the snow certainly by daybreak on Saturday. I'm thinking that you folks in the NRV and Highlands will see the end of the snow anytime between about 1 and 2:15 in the morning. And then Lynchburg and Southside, you're going to see the end of the snow anywhere between about 3:30 and about 5 a.m. Such that by 7 a.m., there's not a whole lot happening except for some upslope snow showers. And that's with some wraparound moisture. Most of this is going to stay into West Virginia on your Saturday, but every now and again, a little spillover will be possible towards the NRV and Highlands, which means you folks in the NRV and Highlands we'll probably see a little more cloud cover tomorrow than Lynchburg and Southside. Increasing sun in the forecast for us. Just know we're going to see a little more sun east and a little more cloud cover to the west. Skies are then fair for everybody as we go into Saturday night. And then by Sunday, we are looking at mainly sunny skies from sunup until sundown. It's cold outside. No surprise there. It's 19 in Hot Springs, 27 Lynchburg, also into Danville, 28 South Boston, 25 Roanoke, 23 in Wytheville. Temperatures in the air are actually similar to temperatures on the ground on the road. Now, as far as the winds are concerned tomorrow, sustained winds about 8 to 18. Okay, we're going to gust about 25 to 35 miles per hour. So the winds are not a factor right now. We don't have a lot in the way of blowing snow. As a matter of fact, we've got some reduced visibilities right now because of some fog. Once those snow showers exit, then we're going to start to see the wind increase. So again, not much wind tonight as the snow falls, but as that low pressure system pulls away, we're going to start to have more wind developing. Okay, so it's going to be a blustery day for us, no doubt, on your Saturday, and then the winds will settle down a bit by Sunday. As far as wind chills are concerned, tomorrow by dinner time, it's going to feel like the 10s and 20s outside. And by the time you awaken Sunday morning, perhaps you're heading off to church early in the morning, we're going to have, I think, single-digit wind chills in the mountains and 10s a little bit further out to the east. So again, it is certainly going to be very cold here this weekend. There is a slight warm-up in store by very late Sunday into Monday, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. Periods of snow tonight ending. Cloudy, cold, 25 is your low. And again, we are looking at daybreak tomorrow being dry. Increasing sunshine, blustery outside. Highs tomorrow 35. We're up to 38 on Sunday. So after a brutally cold start Sunday morning, temperatures will go up in the afternoon and then 43 on Monday. Short-lived because then temperatures fall into the upper 20s to near 30 Tuesday and Wednesday. A week from today, we're back up to 40. Maybe a few rain and or snow showers on Monday and or Tuesday in the mountains. But for the most part, once we get through tonight, the next 7 days look rather quiet.